Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kestri. In this session, we will learn about introduction to .NET framework. Now see, the .NET framework is one of the tools provided by the .NET infrastructure and tools component of the .NET platform. .NET platform provides a new environment for creating and running robust, portable, and distributed applications and web services. It consists of three distinct technology. First one is common language runtime, second one is framework based classes, and third one is user interface program. Now see what is CLR, means common language runtime. CLR is the core of the .NET framework. CLR provides runtime environment in which the program written in C# and other .NET languages are executed. It also supports cross-language interoperability. CLR provides a number of services as follows. CLR is responsible for loading and execution of the program, memory isolation for application, verification of type safety, compilation of IL. IL means intermediate language into native executable code, providing metadata, memory management, that is automatic garbage collection, enforcement of security, managing errors and exceptions, support for tasks such as debugging and profiling, interoperability with other systems. Now see what is CTS, means common type system. The .NET framework provides multiple language support using the feature known as common type system that built into the CLR. The CTS supports a variety of types and operations found in most programming languages, and therefore calling one language from other does not require type conversion. Now see CLS, means common language specifications. The CLS specifications defines a set of rules that enable interoperability on the .NET framework or .NET platform. These rules guide the third-party compiler, designer, and library builders. The CLS is the subset of CTS, and therefore the language supporting the CLS can use each other's class libraries as if they are their own. Now see what is MSIL, means Microsoft Intermediate Language. MSIL, simply called IL, means intermediate language, is an instruction set into which all the .NET programs are compiled. The .NET programming languages contain instructions for loading, storing, initializing, and calling method. When we compile a C# program or any program written in a CLS compilant language, the code is compiled into MSIL. Now see FBC, means framework based classes. The .NET supplies a library of base classes that we can implement to develop applications quickly. We can use it by calling their methods or by data reuse through driven class. Now see .NET languages. The .NET framework is language neutral. We can use a number of languages for developing .NET applications. It supports more than 60 languages. Some of them are C#, C#.NET, VB.NET, C++.NET, JSharp, JSharp.NET, FSharp.NET, JScript.NET, ASP.NET. Friends, in this session, we learned about .NET framework. If you have any doubt, then knock me on comment section. Thank you.